Hi Egg Fam, happy very gloomy Wednesday today. I am about to go downstairs and cut a piece of aloe vera leaf because I'm about to deep condition this hair. Here is the aloe plant in my complex. It hasn't rained in a while, so the leaves are kind of sunken in. Like this one, you can see that it's not very juicy at all. I'm gonna try and find one that can work. Alright, so I think I found one. You want to cut leaves that are lower down because they are the most mature, and don't cut them all the way down at the base if you don't need to. Just kind of take what you need, you know, and leave the rest for nature. So I'm going to cut this one here, right here. So like I said, because it hasn't been raining, like you can see, like this part here is very kind of sucked in and dry out. Normally all of this would be nice and fleshy, and I wouldn't need to cut such a long piece just to do my hair. So I would, you know, probably be able to get away with cutting it maybe up here and just kind of scooping out the rest. But yeah, so because the piece that's left back, the end right here, is just going to dry up, and so I'm going to be able to use the rest of the leaf next time. All right, I've gathered everything that I'm going to use in my deep conditioner. Some shea butter. If I had a piece of actual avocado, I would use it, but I ate it all, so the oil will do just fine. Some castor oil, some essential, of course, some honey, and yes, an overripe banana. They are incredible for softening your hair, adding moisture. I'm going to dump everything into this and whip away. So I cut the prickly sides off of the piece. I cut the piece that I wanted, and I cut the top off. And I'm going to use a spoon now to just scoop out the gel, the fleshy part of the leaf. Here it is. You really don't need much for your hair, but I'm telling you, it's worth the trouble. Aloe vera is so incredibly moisturizing and repairing and hydrating and everything for your hair. I'm going to cut off that little green part there. Guess what else it's good for? Guess. Can you guess? Right up in there. This is the consistency of it after I've blended everything with some shea butter. So if you want it a little thicker, I just really put some commercial conditioner in there to thicken it up so it won't drip when I have it in my hair. Alright, so I didn't add any extra conditioner to it today. I just put it on my hair. I have a regular old plastic bag on my head, very scientific, and a beanie, because why else do you need a beanie in Jamaica? To kind of steam this in, I want you to keep it in for at least 20 minutes. You can use your favorite oils. I chose the oils that I chose for very specific reasons, and I will let you know in the blog post that will accompany this deep conditioner treatment. So I'll let y'all know when I put that up and link to it, of course. But yeah, if you already have a store-bought conditioner and you just want to enhance it, I would still go ahead and do that. I do that all the time by just adding honey and aloe vera to it, and maybe the avocado oil as well, because those are the most beneficial ingredients in everything that I added. If your hair is breaking a lot and you think you need, you know, a protein treatment, then you can add an egg or maybe some mayonnaise into the mixture to kind of strengthen your hair. But be careful of doing that too much, because your hair gets too hard and then it breaks off more. So I deep condition my hair like this at least once per month. Whenever I do have color in my hair, then it's every other week. If you keep up this routine, I guarantee you that your hair will be soft and moisturized, and you know, you won't have dry, trashy ends, and you'll be fab. Alright, so I still have this deep conditioner in my head because I was just writing a blog post, and you know, the time got away from me, as it does with us creatives. So I don't have time to wash it out before I go for munch. So you know, I plopped this crazy ass thing onto my head, and I'm about to go pick up my child. Yes, I am the mom in the schoolyard looking crazy as hell, but I'm not washing this out right now. So look. See, that's why they dig up big afros at the airport, because you never ever know what people are hiding in these big ass wigs, in this afro, in the hair. Yeah, girl. The kid has been acquired, and it's officially summer. No more school. Concert tomorrow. A fair on Friday. Now I need to go home and wash out this hair. You think you're cool? Alright, I'm gonna wash out my hair now. I'm not using shampoo today. I'm just using this. I have this on my blog, and people ask me if I still use it. Hell yeah, it works. I ain't breaking it. Yeah. Alright, so I rinsed out my hair. I only use shampoo in my hair once per month. You can even skip the shampoo altogether and do an apple cider vinegar rinse. So 1 part apple cider to 4 parts water, and just rinse it. It will help to strip any buildup and excess oils that's on your scalp. So now I'm going to add a leave-in conditioner and seal that in, a leave-in conditioner and a styler like a moisturizing cream, and then seal all that in with a shea butter mixture that I will show y'all tomorrow because I'm tired. These are the last bit of my kinky curly not today leave-in conditioner, and when that's finished I bought this one to try it out, so I'll let y'all know how that goes. That I'm gonna put this just to add in some, you know, heavy moisturizement into my hair, because the leave-in is very light. It's not gonna do enough to actually moisturize my hair. And then finally I'm gonna scrape out the last bit of this shea butter mixture that I'm gonna make a new batch tomorrow, so you can stick around for that if you want, but I'm just gonna use the last bit of this today. I also use this sometime to seal it in, so after you add in all of that moisture. I really like this as well, but I'm gonna have to cut open this package because it's not about that coming out life. So yeah, it does a good job of sealing in all that moisture that I put in and keeping your hair nice and soft and shiny over the next 3 or 4 days before you need to refresh. Alright, I have applied all those products to my hair. So if I was gonna wear it out in like a wash and go, I would pineapple it on top of my head so the back stretches while it dries, but I'm about to twist this up and put it away for the week. Almost done twisting my hair. I do it this way very specifically, and of course I'm gonna let you know why in a minute. Alright, so super quick and easy. I just do 2 flat twists in the front. I don't know if you can see. Let me come into the light. There are two flat twists in the front, and then 2 big old cornrows in the back. And I do it this way because, one, when I'm doing a twist out or a braid out, you know how sometimes a part of it comes out trashy and it's like, oh, why does it have to look that way there? Well, these 2 at the front are going to be super defined and they'll fall this way. So that's my security against that. And also, you know, that's kind of the lazy girl way to do it, because ain't nobody have time to do 6 twists or 6 twist outs. Yeah, my hand get tired and ugh. But anyway, I also wear a half wig. So when I do plop my half wig on, it tends to sit right here, and so my twists, when they dry, they'll plump up and look real cute, and they will hide the front of that wig, and it all comes out seamlessly, and I love that wig. I'm about to show you all that. I'm gonna review that wig on Friday, so you'll have a chance to see how I style it without having to actually pull my twists out when I'm just running on the road and don't need to. But then when I do pull the twists out, it all blends in very well, and everybody thinks it's my hair, so I love it. So my aloe vera hair treatment is one of the most popular things on my blog, but I did that post way back when Instagram was not yet a thing, at least not for me. So I was excited to do that today. I hope y'all liked that little tutorial. And people ask me all the time, you know, how I maintain my wash and goes so that, you know, when I step out the house, it's not like one big poofy hot mess immediately. And deep treating my hair often, using these products definitely helped me to maintain my wash and go, because that's my fave. I don't think I've ever Insta storied this much. So those of y'all who made it to the end, thank you for riding with me. I'm gonna kind of stitch all of this up into one long video and put it on the blog in the accompanying post. I hope you like my vision board that's back here. So alright, when was it that I did that wash and go tutorial with my deep condition, and you guys saw when I put my hair in twists? So I've been wearing it under the wig in twists for all week long, and I just pulled them out to go out, and I'm pretty satisfied with this twist out, because twist outs and braid outs are hard to catch sometimes, but you know, after a deep condition, it's pretty good. I definitely think that having the 2 twists right at the front help a lot, because the front now falls nicely into my face and frames it nicely, and the rest, the back, which were in just 2 big plaits, 2 big cornrows, cool.